This ICEPURE 1 micron whole house filter uses a dense upgraded coconut shell carbon block that captures very fine sediment such as rust and sand, while also adsorbing lead and cysts. In daily use, it noticeably improves tap water by reducing chlorine, unpleasant odors, and off flavors, which makes both drinking water and cooking water taste much cleaner. The 10-inch by 2.5-inch cartridge is designed for whole house coverage, so it can supply multiple fixtures without causing a big drop in water pressure. Its low resistance structure and large contact area help maintain a steady flow rate even when several taps or appliances are drawing water at the same time. The filter is built from food-grade, lead-free, and bisphenol A-free materials and is rated for up to about 6 months or roughly 13,000 gallons, so it does not need constant replacement. It fits most standard 10-inch by 2.5-inch housings and replaces a long list of popular cartridges, which makes it an easy upgrade for many existing reverse osmosis and whole house systems.